Hey everybody, it's Tony the Blacksmithing Gamer, and in this video we will go over how the Game & Watch works. So, quick overlay of all the buttons and features of the Game & Watch include the screen, control pad, A and B buttons, game, time, and pause set buttons. We also have the power, USB-C connector, and the speaker. What's normally included in the packaging is the system itself and the Nintendo USB charge cable. There are a few games that come preloaded on the system, including Super Mario Bros., Super Mario Bros. The Lost Levels, also known as Super Mario 2 if you are in Japan, and the Game & Watch Ball Game. To charge the Game & Watch, take the USB charging cable that comes with the system and use a USB compatible AC adapter. To charge the system, take the USB-C end, the end that looks like the smaller end, and plug it into the side of the system. The USB-C cable can be inserted either way, so there's no need to worry about proper orientation on this side. Next, you take the other larger end and plug it into any standard USB compatible AC adapter, such as one from your phone charger, or alternatively, you can use your USB ports on your personal computer. This side does have an orientation, so it only goes in one way. Don't force the connection in. If it isn't going in, flip the connector around and try it again. Make sure to plug in your AC adapter and/or have your PC turned on to charge the unit. The system takes approximately 3 hours to fully charge. When fully charged, the Game & Watch playing Super Mario Bros. Provides roughly 8 hours of playtime. Factors that can impact playtime include screen brightness and volume levels. You can view your remaining battery charge at any time by pressing the pause set button. The volume can be configured separately for the game mode and clock mode. To adjust the display and volume, first press the power button once, so the screen lights up. If the screen doesn't light up, the battery level may be too low. Make sure to keep your system charged. Next, you press the time button to display the clock mode, and while the time is displayed in clock mode, press the pause set button. Once you have done this, you can use the D-pad or the control pad to adjust the volume, screen brightness, and the time on the system. To play the games on the Game & Watch, it's very simple. First, press the power button to turn the system on. Then, you press the game button and use the D-pad to select the game, and press the A button. To reset the game at any point, press the pause set button. Navigate with the D-pad to the reset option and press A. To select a new game, press the game button, navigate with the D-pad to the next game, and press the A button. And finally, to put your system into a sleep or off mode, simply press the power button. Hopefully, if you had any confusion of how the system worked, this video helped you out. If you enjoyed it and found it helpful, hit that like and subscribe button to help the channel out. Thanks again, I'm Tony, the Blacksmithing Gamer, signing off.